cheese platter. Ingredients. Select different cheeses within the same family of cheeses. Examples of this would be 3 or 4 styles of soft-ripened cheeses such as Brie and Camembert and any other cheeses that have a similar white downy-like rind. Or, you can select a few distinct styles of blue cheese. Doing this is a great way to learn how similar cheeses differ in flavor. Directions. Choose lighter cheeses such as an herb-coated goat cheese or fresh mozzarella if you're serving cheese before dinner. If you're serving cheese after dinner, then you can go one of 2 ways: serve just one rich and creamy cheese such as the easy-to-find triple-crème cheese called Saint Andre, or go for full-flavored cheeses like Manchego, cheddar, aged gouda and/or blue cheeses. Focus on the cheeses of the United States or even a specific region within the US, Spain, Italy or France. That automatically narrows the field. Choose one cheese made with each type of milk: cow, goat, and sheep's milk. Choose cheeses that are all made with just one type of milk, such as sheep's milk. Doing this is a great way to learn about the different styles of cheese within one milk category. Choose cheeses with different textures. Go for a soft and creamy cheese such as Brie, or a similar artisan-style cheese made in your area, a firmer-style cheese such as cheddar, preferably farmhouse, gouda or gruyere, and a hard grating-style cheese like Parmigiano-Reggiano. Often one really great cheese is enough because it's so satisfying that it becomes a conversation piece. The exception is when cheese is the centerpiece of your party. In that case, you'll need at least 3 and probably 5 or 6 cheeses. Most of the time, though, serving 3 cheeses is a good amount. That way you won't overwhelm people with too many choices. Never crowd your cheese platter. If you do, you're likely to find your knuckle in one of the cheeses as you attempt to cut the one you'd like. Offer a different knife with each cheese. If you cut all the cheeses with just one knife, they'll start tasting like each other. Serve slices of baguette or crackers in a separate basket or bowl. Choose plain, sourdough or French bread or neutral crackers. Flavored breads such as those with sesame seeds or garlic and herb crackers tend to overwhelm the flavors of the cheeses. The exception is breads containing walnuts, dried fruit or olives. These are all great with cheese. Serve the cheeses either on a platter, or more than one if needed, or plate the cheeses individually. The latter method works particularly well if you're serving cheeses after dinner. Each person gets their own plate, and best of all you get to prepare the cheese course before your guests arrive, leaving one less last-minute thing for you to do. The plates can sit at room temperature, lightly covered, for a couple of hours without any harm to the cheese unless your kitchen is particularly warm. In that case, keep them refrigerated until an hour before serving time.